Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Any.do with Google Calendar. All right. Now to connect both applications, we'll have to use a third-party website or app. All right. And that is called Zapier. Just go ahead over to Zapier.com and go ahead and make your account. It's pretty easy to do and it's totally free. Now in here, when you have your account, you'll be greeted with the Zapier dashboard. And here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on App Connections. Click on it. Now go ahead and add a connection. As you can see here, I already have my Any.do account or workspace account right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on plus add connection. And I'm just going to look for Google Calendar. Like so, wait for it to load. Click on Google Calendar. Now click on add a connection and the browser will pop up that will ask you to log in with your Google Calendar account. Just click on an account and hit on continue. Wait for it to load. And once done, as you can see here, Google Calendar is now on our Zapier. Do the same with Any.do. Okay, just add a connection, select Any.do. And once that's done, go ahead over to the top left and click on create. Now click on Zaps. Okay, wait for it to load. Now in here, you can go ahead and use Copilot or AI to make the connections. If not, if you want to do it manually, click on trigger. All right. The trigger depends on you. Okay. You can go ahead and use Any.do as a trigger or Google Calendar as a trigger. Okay. For example, we're going to be using Any.do as a trigger. Okay. Now go ahead and select a trigger event. Just click on the drop down. For example, whenever you create a new board, okay, let's just go ahead and maybe think of a workflow. Okay. Whenever you create a new board, there will be a notification to your Google Calendar or an event will be added on your Google Calendar. Okay. Now, going back in here, just hit on continue. Now select a workspace from your Any.do account. Wait for it. There you go. Gonna hit on continue. And here we're going to test the trigger and make sure that everything is working. Okay. Hit on continue. Now we're going to select the event after the trigger. Okay. Just tap away, click on action. Now go ahead and select Google Calendar. Okay. Now in here, go ahead and choose the action event. Click on it. Now, as you can see here, you'll be able to create calendar. Okay. And you have a ton of options here as well. So just for this example or for our sample workflow, I'm just going to go ahead and create calendar. Once done, just hit on continue. Name right here, or go ahead and click on the plus sign. You can go ahead and select or insert data for name. Okay. Like maybe name or ID, it's up to you. I'm just going to select name and then description right here. Add it to calendar. It's up to you. Okay. Go ahead and hit on continue. Now in here, just go ahead and test the step. It says here sending a calendar to Google Calendar. Okay. And as you can see here, there are no errors. You can now just go ahead and click on publish. Wait for it to publish. As you can see here, it says success. You can now automate your business flow with Any.do and Google Calendar. That's basically it. Okay, I'm going to show you. Here is my calendar under calendar.google.com. I'm going to go ahead over to my phone. Say, for example, I'm going to create a new board right here. Create a board. This is a sample from Any.do to Google Calendar. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to hit on save. All right. As you can see here, we just created a new board. Now when we go ahead over to Google Calendar right here, as you can see, just refresh it. And here we have new board. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.